What's good, YouTube? It's your gonna react rocking to another video, man. Look, today we got Roscoe G and Osama twin Glocks. Now look, I'm like 99% sure because I seen the snippet on Instagram for this. I think this the real Philly song that everybody kept reposting and sending and stuff because he dropped 3 in a row. Why he did that, I think it was purely just to confuse me. I ain't gonna lie, because I was baffled. But I think this the one everybody was sharing, because the one they was sharing, that one was tough. I ain't gonna lie. The other two was tough too, but I think this the one. Look, like, comment, subscribe to my main channel, link in the description, you know what I'm saying? No more talking. Let's get into the video. Great.
I push up on
hard-headed baby.
Roscoe
push up on
It was me and Lil Bro trolling, trying to have them spin. They came through spinning right on feet. I bet I flick again.
Yeah, I think this gotta be the one. This gotta be the one.
Trolling, trying to have them spin. They came through spinning right on feet. I bet I flick again. Like 2 twin Glocks on that scene. Now she coming pissed. Like Lil Bro, get him, fuck it. I don't give a fuck who this. All he heard was, now he in the air. Them bitches.
This gotta be that one. I think. To be honest, bro. This flow, this sound better than Roscoe regular flow. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. He might gotta start doing this. No doubt.
I don't give a fuck who this. All he heard is, now he in the air. Them bitches get you killed, bro, you better be aware. They came through clapping like I was trying to bust back. Like ever since Dotty, like they ain't ever come back. When King died, like on bro was a get back. Lot of candles and roses, like on Dotty was on sit back.
Real EVE boys, make sure everybody eat. Came through sliding in that car, bet that we wet up that V. Oh, we back up on they strip, it's time to rock that boy to sleep. Smoky Gotti, smoky Kev, can't forget about Lil Key. Damn, like I forgot about Lil Lee. Like, I'm still smoking Key.
Alright, Diddy, let's see how Diddy do on the Philly flow, folks.
Like I forgot about Lil Lee.
See how you do, Diddy.
I'm still smoking Key.
It was me and Lil Bro trolling, trying to have them spin. They came through spinning right on.
I just embarrassed myself. I'm definitely finna repeat exactly what I just said when Diddy is finna go. Bro.
Feet, I bet I flick again. Like 2 twin Glocks on that scene. Now she coming pissed. Like Lil Bro, get him, fuck it. I don't give a fuck who this.
Alright, Diddy, let's see how you do, Diddy. See you go crazy, Diddy.
Is like Lil Bro, get him, fuck it. I don't give a fuck who this.
Like tell me how he died. I don't even care. All I know is that I'm smoking fried. A nigga definitely died, hit up in his head, now he with Nate.
A nigga definitely died. Oh, okay.
A nigga definitely died, hit up in his head, now he with Nate. Up in the sky, RG, that's my Uda, and I'm the bird getter. If they try to push up on me, then I promise he gon' get him. Get ups in the air, you know we stay screaming Lottie. Smoking him with a little bit of nausea. Ain't even gon' lie, right now I'm feeling drowsy. I know why, it's cause the dead nigga Bobby.
Okay, hey, he low key. Hey, he okay.
Smoking him with a little bit of nausea. Ain't even gonna lie, right now I'm feeling drowsy. I know why, it's cause the dead nigga Bobby.
It was me and Lil Bro trolling, trying to have them spin. They came through spinning right on feet. I bet I flick again. Like 2 twin Glocks on that scene. Now she coming pissed. Like Lil Bro, get him, fuck it. I don't give a fuck who this. All he heard is, now he in the air. Them bitches get you killed, bro, you better be aware. They came through clapping like I was trying to bust back. Like ever since Dotty, like they ain't never come back.
Roscoe from the O. Diddy Osama. Mookie Madface. Bro, this song right here, this the first one I thought that one was supposed to be this one. I ain't gonna lie. But to be honest, they low-key just ran that, folks. Hey, Roscoe sound better on the Philly flow than he sound on his flow. And Diddy, he low-key ran that. I ain't gonna lie. He did better than I thought he was gonna do. But look, if you still, I don't even got an outro yet. This is always awkward. I need to just really sit back and think of an outro. I'm finna do that right now. I'm finna experiment too. Alright, so look. If you like the video, like the video. Okay. If you like the video, like the video. Hold on. Okay. If you like the video, like the video. I'm thinking. Hold on. Alright, if you like the video, and subscribe to catch me in the next one. Oh, okay. Alright. Let me see. Alright, if you like the video, and subscribe to catch me in the next one. I don't know, that don't sound right. But I'ma just end this video like that, bro.